Hey you guys, my name is Juhi Arora. Welcome to my channel. A lot of people suggest us to meditate every single day to get that inner peace, to sleep better, to invoke your creativity, or simply to discover yourself. But it does raises a few questions like how to meditate, what to meditate on, how do I sit for so long doing absolutely nothing, or even for how long should I meditate? Let me just break it down for you. Being a beginner, let's not get into the technicality of what is meditation. Instead, let's focus on some practical knowledge so that you will at least be able to do something. Okay, so a lot of people have this common belief that to meditate you need a certain object, or you need a picture of Om or a candle light. But guess what? Let me just burst this bubble for you. Alright, you can meditate on absolutely anything, be it a subtle object or something gross. You can meditate on your breath or the universe. Whatever makes you happy or in connect with, that is your thing. Anything that brings one pointedness to you, you can meditate on that. So if painting makes you happy or brings one pointedness to your thoughts, then guess what? That is your thing. So now you know the vastness of the objects that are available at your disposal. When it comes to how to meditate, let me just give you an example of how to meditate on your breath, because it's easily accessible. You have it all the time and you don't really need a special setting to meditate on your breath, right? That is the only object that you need. So all you have to do is bring all your attention and focus on your breath coming in and going out. Draw all your attention towards your nostril and just focus, or rather follow your breath, and that is meditation for you. Alright, at any given point, if you think that your thoughts are running wild, don't panic, just bring your thoughts back and engage it towards your breath, and that is it. Keep practicing it and slowly you'll start getting the hang of it. And to answer the question of how to sit for so long, then I just have one simple answer to this. We all enjoy the company of our loved ones and friends, but what about your own company? You are much more than you think you are. Spend more time with yourself. It's high time that you do that. Start getting used to your own company. Let the self-love overflow, because all you have is you. Then why not get used to it, love it, and get comfortable with it? Every now and then, enjoy your own company, even if it's just for 10 minutes, and see the difference and happiness that it brings to your life. If you found this video to be helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Also, if you have any other video requests or recommendations, then don't forget to mention them in the comments below. I'll see you again on Thursday. Until then, keep breathing. Namaste.